Let me connect my Bluetooth class. Let me connect my Bluetooth small. Let me connect my Bluetooth small. Popskin, me see, would you mess drop another picture? Say, you know, would you shut away me now be don't bring anybody. Popskin, one kasa wedu you said you know where this picture is coming from. So why didn't you talk about the picture? And why didn't you talk about the man? Papa ni di na me boy no also ni munkrofo na omo shisha ade na echi. So why didn't you mention their names? Oh, this Wi-Fi. Mpamocho mama connect me. Your friend is a hotel no Wi-Fi no. Let me connect the hotel Wi-Fi. Me connect hotel no Wi-Fi no. Yes, I agree. Connect. Close. Yes. Inti Mombisa Popskin say, me say one share video now. I will not drop the second picture. Share the video and tag Popskin. And yes, I'm sorry, me drop a picture no. Me drop the second picture now. Or damn pamuna we no naked no. Mpachoba so I share video no kakra mami. And don't forget to tag Popskin. Tag him. Tag Popskin for me. Tag Popskin. Asia. Popskin. Eba ni edidi atema. Dia obeye no. You know be edidi atemo. Popskin. Which thing you come do no be edidi atem. If it come to real firemen, Popskin, you know the fire. You don't know how to fire. So don't bring yourself. Ah, no. Sorry. I was connecting to wrong Bluetooth. Sorry. Ntimpamocha montagi Popskin mami. Obi bio ni Popskin bia no tag no. Opa ombra mi video na se no be hwe. Say me your friend say me drop on one kasa ni naked picture. Back or door be man paso. Ah be me twetwa no picture. And now better so say you don't know me for Germany. Who say they talk about Germany? I know they talk about Germany. They talk about Ghana. Ghana Apple way you they talk about no. It be the same Apple way they talk about. That's Popskin. We know you for Apple. Asia u music career ato nsuo mu a unkope ejuma papa bi anye. Unkope friend saying cleaning ejuma yi bi nye. Say ube use obi ba wa your friend say wonya ni baby ko. A ebusuafo adwen omo ho ebe yusu no ebe kansem fon saying to the be trendy wo be to bomb no nkrofo nim si aye to bomb ten wo Popskin nonsense ya kan batty boy mu batty boy a wo Popskin no ye batty mu batty obema wa tuetue wo bebia wa tuetue wo bebia ni ye friend say PSN o sorry a o say nyame kasa kire wo ye kan nkrofo nyame e kasa kire wo na Popskin mo uni mo nyame kasa kire wo. Don't make me vex cry say video na obeye no. You expose yourself. Say not before. I was also talking about before when you were in Ghana. Popskin, I was talking about before when you were in Ghana. I would have been a winner in Skadi talk or Ghana. And then remember no sponsor was saying it before. You were talking about before. Jimmy for who bet who was a guy they try a friend saying ticket to buy a friend saying Europe. Who was a guy they buy Europe? Asia who America hona wote no crampono. Okay, takrata ye de 2 coin. Call America no. When was the last time you traveled to somewhere? See, I say you won't go to Jamaica, you won't go to Onyesofu. Hey, Ebane did the atema Popskin. You don't know how to fire more than me, okay? So talk somewhere. Ebane did the atema. I can insult you 24/7. I mean, your friend is saying I will never get tired. Mpacho obasua share video no kakra mami. Yes. Yentie Popskin no ankasa oba be expose ne ho. Jimmy for bema. Asia junkie boy. Popskinny say, obi gay ni bi obebo ni din bi no. Onumu nso a entra no no inti Popskinny. Eh, you be funny boy, pa. Wasia. Say you saying nobody fit talk about your gay life. Your gay life where you were living in Ghana before. Your gay life where you did live. You did live after. Thank you. See ya. I bet not see Becca saying, Papa. I was talking about man now, or your friend is saying, or sponsor those times now, or Ghana no. Now better than Popskinny now brands now when you can cry there to Adrian, that's what I was talking about. Eh, massa, be steady, and yes, Anna, me go any mass poto, me do pictures in your be go WhatsApp so. I trend do you want you want trend. I go post your pictures, your naked pictures on WhatsApp. Facebook don't be go Facebook, so Facebook go block me. So I not go post those shit of yours on Facebook. I go trend them on WhatsApp for you. Nonsense. You can't batty here. You be batty boy. But Tanasi say Koye Besia. Who be Koye Besia more than you are? You are not coming to defend yourself. Who be defend you? Then you are complicating things. Me say if you don't share the video, I will not show the second picture. Until the yenti Popskinny ni nkwasi asem na obeka ene kakra. Let's listen to Popskinny. Nijimi insemne ne nkwasi asem. Let's listen to her. Make we listen to Popskinny kakra. Enye ne nkwasi ya enyum na ato ensuo dum na enye enu ntina me wa ha. Let me move on.
If you know me, you go know say make a laugh rather than you go make a verse.
No, say Popskinny, you dey copy Shatta Wale. The way Shatta Wale they do in mouth. If you know me, you won't copy Shatta Wale style. You cannot copy Shatta Wale style. Popskinny, be you. Nigga, be you. You there, America. Be yourself, man. If you want fuck your true more. And stop the gangster way you won't play. You feel no do gangster. Popskinny. Gangster, you feel no do gangster. We know you. Where you they do like this, Popskinny. Those times where you they do like this, you they do kutumamindi. You forget. Abwa onya is so. Popskinny, you love doggy style, pa. This is your #1 favorite style. Where you they do this, Onya gbemi mi ayo. Popskinny, onya gbemi. You say you live for Laboni. You say you live for Cantonment, Laboni. Ba wakababa you ga majabo ye ga mini went ba so onye pohe. Ba. Some say unyi won crime. Come make we talk. We go talk part 1, we go talk PG. We go talk ga, we go insult each other. Onya egbemi, onya efefle mi oye. Batty boy like you, batty musician, where your music career self, it died long time. Your music career, aton suomu, your music career, aton suomu. You see me where I did here? If I say I go change to be straight today, Popskinny, you cannot fit me. If I change and I said, oh God, let me be diva, Popskinny, you cannot be diva more than me. Me, I be jack of all trade. I can change. I can change to be whoever I want to be, nigga. I see ya. Junkie boy. I say I give you 48 hours to come apologize to Ebony in family. If not, your naked pictures go trend on social media, not on Facebook, on WhatsApp. I'll phone like you.
You see me in my life. You for rather make a laugh. Because I love to laugh more. But when you want to show me, say, oh, I see a dear, now you're stubborn there. You go make a face because you see me.
Popskinny, I won't make you face.
Because you see, man has been humble so much for a very long time. To the extent, say, people say, oh, what they say, I want to say, Metesapa. They say, Metesapa.
Man. Or say, people say, unti what's that? Say, no, ungrofu enim sa we again. Then they talk you say, Pop Skinny, you not be gay again. You know they do gay again. And you yourself, you confirm here, saying, you know you did the game inside. You know you the fuck nyash too, they fuck your nyash. Abwa, now you they complicate yourself. Say, your friend is say, you have children, Who told you, say, gay people know they give birth? Who told you, say, gay people know they give birth? Even Nana Tornado self have Peking. Prince have Peking. Prince have 2 Peking. Asia junkie boy. Come and talk about your gay life where you they live by then in Ghana. Now you they talk say, me, I they talk about Ghana by then. Those times now you walk Ghana, no. I they also talk about those times now you walk Ghana, no. Where would they all chill for apple? Where a man they bring you to Nungwa. Why you not fit talk about the Nungwa issue? The Nungwa issue where I talk about. Why Pop Skinny? You not talk about the Nungwa issue. Asia, also unim Nungwa. Who say who walk Ghana, no now you they drive Mercedes and friend say C class on your bemi. Who Ghana now come do now B2 found. Now I mentioned the name B2. You know anybody called B2? Pop Skinny. Now I mentioned the man name. Come tell Ghanaians say you don't know anybody called B2. A boy phone. Where you there Ghana, where you hungry, they catch you up and down. B2, they help you here and there. B2, they take you for in car. Where you by then you they walk out with your 1 shoe. Jimmy 4. Monsha, me no wine papa be. Egu Pop Skinny in kwasi asemo obeka so. Make we listen to Pop Skinny finish. Listen to him where he disgrace himself. If you share the video, I will drop one naked picture right now about Pop Skinny. Let's go.
Yes.
But me pamacho obi bia o share Pop Skinny video no. Pop Skinny your video where you do. You say you be in your studio. Asia. On your so kakai. Pop Skinny, who studio now with Vaseline. Vaseline now is you waiting. Vaseline, what do you do with Vaseline in your studio? What if Vaseline had to do in your studio? Vaseline, I been now Vaseline tend to be music instrument for you, Pop Skinny. Vaseline tend to be music instrument where you they used to do polishing for your studio inside. Wasia. Trumu need to say Vaseline, if you sit down, you they watch porn, you are horny, you are chatting with your boyfriends on Facebook, not be Facebook, but gay app and all that. You they use the Vaseline to masturbate. I tell you, this music career of yours, Pop Skinny, it died long time. It died. Don't make I help you. Put this stupid music career of yours to ashes, to rest in peace. Abi you come, they talk, say you don't know me. See my face well. Pop Skinny, see my face well, and remember those times. See my face well. Those times, how you did they come? They call me Phil Collins. They call me Phil. I say the man where you they come in house. Pop Skinny, the man where you they come in house. B2 house. Do you know anybody called B2? The man where they do a friend is saying, oh, nobody should call me. You people have called me to apologize too much. Nobody should call me now. I beg. More beyond the Pama Chow. B2 na or yeah friend is saying Pop Skinny. No yeah traveling agents Jumano. That man, that big tough man na or what sky or Ghana no what business is bebreno. Come make you talk your next video. I say come talk if you know somebody called B2. Nungwa, you never been to Nungwa before? You never been to Nungwa before? Say you are talking about the picture where I bring, it be Shatawale. Where be Shatawale in this picture? Where was Shatawale in this picture? Now you have So what say Shatta Wale they try picture now? Why didn't you bring the original picture? Ah, you said you went to Shatta Wale house where you people snapped that picture. Why didn't you, how do you call it, bring the original picture to show that, oh, this is Shatta Wale, this be me, boys, we do this. The last time where you come live, where you they talk about Shatta Wale being gay, no? Did somebody talk about your gay life? No. Because we know waiting you they talk about Shatta Wale, no, it not be true. You won't spoil Shatta Wale in name keke. Today your own come out can make you answer that you be gay. You do gay life for Ghana. They fuck your nyash for Ghana. You they come sit down, they do asia me petre papa me petre papa. Asia unim gay for omo petre. Ya wo gay for bebre by such omo petre esam petru muka ho. Omo petre esam petru muka ho. Me I say if you come style be a ope be and pop skinny, I go give you any style you won't make we go. We go. Come prove to Ghanaians. Say no see what could the US. So you the petre pa. Say we see what could the US. You the petre pa. Me say muntie pop skinny. I say make you share the video. We share video now. I go drop one picture. Our pop skinny. Me the picture no better them we say. Our pop skinny or damn paso. Or damn paso. My friend say yeah try no pictures. As yeah, you see life. This is real life for you. You see, this is real life for you. This is real life for you. Social media, anything where you go do, you go remain. Those times you were chopping love, the man they give you money so you know they care. Oh, you can take me any picture, I don't care. You can take me picture, I don't care. Now you are running away from your past. If it be your past or if you they fake them or you they hide them, nobody know. But for we that we know you pop skinny, we know you past you be batty. A chronic batty, no be in chen batty yo, no be chen true mo. No be chen true mo. You be a chronic one pa, a chronic. Pop skinny, okay, fine. If you go fit open your zip, show your how do you call it, pubic hair to people and pop skinny. Promise Ghanaians one thing, come on social media. The way you do, come on social media. Come open your nyash like this. Pop skinny, come open your nyash like this. So for Ghana people, if they no fuck you before, onye gbemi onye so, onye ye tu flame yo. Come show Ghanaians. Come open your nyash. Show Ghanaians if they no fuck you before. Everybody go see how the hole big. The hole big. Whoa. Make we listen to Pop Skinny here. Make we listen to Pop Skinny. Pop Skinny means any style I go give you. You don't know me. Go ask my name very well. I be BJ, the one and only. Any star, say I give you 48 hours. 48 hours self-crampono. Now 10 hours go from inside. So it's left with 38 hours. Mpamucho share video now. I go, how do you call it? Drop a new picture of Pop Skinny. I go drop a new picture.
Hey, make her laugh. Rather than you go make a verse.
Yeah. Who go make you laugh?
Too humble and too down to earth. Hey. Remember. Then I want to drop some freestyle.
Don't drop any freestyle. This not be freestyle, Pop Skinny. This your bullshit music. We know one.
That fucking ass nigga they Germany. Where they threaten Pop Skinny.
See ya.
They thought, say, I've never been to Germany. I don't fucking know.
Listen to
I've never been to Germany. I have goons for Germany. Who are Germany? Who say what better to our brochine? Who do you want? Who say what better to our brochine? Who are Germany? I never know. Right now, when somebody send me something, somebody they dare me. Hey, who the chassis why? Who the chassis in there? No, who am I why? But see, Jimmy say you they dare me. Damn it. Nigga, make I be honest with everybody. Yeah, for social media. Some people want social media hype. Yeah, for sad and don't you. Maybe a guy. I have fucking kids. I have kids.
Pop skinny. I they tell you, say, this beef, if you won't talk about reasonable things, if you come talk about reasonable things where they challenge you, come talk about this way they talk, I have kids. We have so many gay people who have kids. See the live video where you do. You confuse. Pop skinny, you confuse. You were just hitting around the bush, just going back and forth, saying unnecessary things. I say, do you know anybody for Nungwa Estate, those times where you dey Ghana? Make you not make me laugh. Pop skinny, I no won't bring any, how do we call it, brofusem for this matter. I say, if you won't make me, I go rough with you. If you want make I go slow, now America, I have anything. Oh, make people for not call me. I beg. Nobody for call me. Pop skinny. Your friend is saying all kind of questions about the late Ebony. No, nobody call him to talk to him. Can kwasi asemi yanko Pop skinny.
I have kids.
But
see, I say me beka. Epo asem na me beka say na ye ko those days. Me say those days. And listen to what I say before me time gave fool.
So they change your mouth. Pop skinny, why are you changing your mouth? Now you are afraid. Time gave for. Who I will say time gave for your first video. You talk for your video. Say you people those times you they go with Barra's boys to how do you call it? Apple. Mubu gave for. So now why are you changing your mouth? Fire no unread your mouth. Pop skinny, this beef, this fight you cannot. I swear. You cannot. Make you confess to Ghana people, everybody. Say, when you dey Ghana, no, you dey chop. They chop you too. They chop you too. Both sides. Next time, Pop skinny, if you come live video now, I say, come open your nyash to Facebook. For all your fans, open your nyash. I know say, it not tough for you. You go fit do them so easily. You go fit do them. Pop skinny. Next time it's over live videos. Over live videos. Yeah. Feel true money say. Feel say. True no. Feel true. No be who facture Facebook for say. Facebook people, my fans, my followers, make you watch if they fuck my ass before. If next time if you come live video, come open your nyash. Then Facebook viewers, your followers, where they watch you, they go see say, it be true where they fuck you before or no, they don't fuck you before. And stop your yawa things where you they do. Make we listen to this stupid Batty boy, also for America. Make we listen to one.
Una wo de one man to say funny. Now the baby would rumor. Your choice. Everybody have choice. Una wo your biana also be your lesbian. In time obiana any choice. Me petre me pese me di tre. Me tre na ma me ho ba. Me better man na ma dan fo be.
Pop skinny, you talk right now, say those times where you dey Ghana, you dey talk say you dey go to airport. So which is which you dey talk now? Pop skinny, unim kasa. You don't know how to talk, so don't try to come on social media, Facebook, and talk rubbish because any my friend is saying, "Baby, you are complicating yourself. You are complicating yourself, Pope." Me say your naked picture. No, if people share this video, if we hit 500, I go drop another picture of yours. Ube your life and then who can say somebody tag me your life, I watch them. You talk them for your live video today, say you know the people behind this. You know the people behind this. So you know the person where they fuck your nyash for you back then in Ghana. You know the people. So why didn't you mention the people they my name? You for mention the people they my name. You for mention the people you know the day under, how do we call it? This, you for mention their name. You know the person you were dealing with those times. So why didn't you mention the person's name? Why didn't you? The
whole nyama kono. What you say? Ain't you know, mental. I know they hate.
Now you are changing your mind.
Ain't you know, Musemu, and I'm here, so my crazy ever kind of what ya no be come on now, what ya no. Why
Popskinny, Enfa Obia, Popskinny. Enfa Obia Emba Semuimu. Enfa Obia Emba Semuimu. Stop bringing people into this. Face your own wahala. Face your own wahala. Face your own wahala. You think, say, if you come out, say, they tell your fans, your followers that, oh, you begin, just confess. Everything where they talk about now, you won't confess. So I won't make it easy for you, Popskinny, to confess. Confess and be free. Just confess, Popskinny. This one, you for no verse, oh, you for no verse. Where they talk about Ebony, that Ebony be lesbian. You go sleep with a lesbian partner for in hometown. That's why Ebony had accident and die, you know. Did anybody attack you? Nobody attack you. Ebony is not alive now to, how do you call it, clear your name. So Popskinny, you there alive. Come tell Ghanaians, say, oh, okay, now are they US? Before where are they Ghana? No, are they chop my nyash? Are they chop people the my nyash? People they pay me, they use my nyash. Where today they talk says now you they US, so you know they do again. Me, I know they believe once a batty boy, always a batty boy, Popskinny. Once a batty boy, Popskinny, always a batty boy. I say, we have so many, how do you call it, bisexual people. We have children. Where did they fuck men still? Popskinny, we have so many straight men that they are married with children, but they fuck still. So Popskinny, if you have children, where you they fuck, it not be news. If you have children, where you they fuck, you they chop the chromosome, it not be news. We have pastors also, the way that they chop. So Popskinny, what are you talking about here? It be your own video I they play, will not be my video. First of all, me see Mumbisa Popskinny say, Vaseline na esineti no den or the year. Vaseline Popskinny, what do you they use the Vaseline for? You there your studio. What do you they use Vaseline for your studio? Studio, so Vaseline compare they were. Studio, Popskinny. Studio, Vaseline, I compare their work with studio. Which your son, your friend is saying, we are honey now, your friend saw the Vaseline, no, I see a junkie boy. Junkie boy, now I said, just be real to yourself. Me, I'm real nigga. I'm real to myself. I know they mind anything where people they talk about me. I know they care what people they talk about me. I know they care what people they talk about me. So Popskinny, if you want, be real, be real. You there your studio inside where you say you they play music, you they do new song. You they do new song. What Vaseline they do in your room? In your studio, Vaseline is in studio or no? Pope Skinny, who did Vaseline yet day studio? If we see Shatta Wale for live video all the time, where Shatta Wale they doing song for in studio, we know they see any Vaseline for there. Oh. Now somebody asks you, Pope Skinny, what do you do with the Vaseline for your studio? You say you dey sra for your studio inside. Pope Skinny, you dey sra for your studio inside. I go expose you, I go make you go expose yourself big time. Me, I go make you go expose yourself big time. Since you don't want to come out to apologize. Person bebe pa ebony. Ni butu for acha ono for tarnishing ebony rain in image no. I go make you suffer. I go make you suffer. You see today, you expose yourself. What thing you they do with that Vaseline? Somebody say it's for his lips. He forget. He fool. Because if Pope Skinny no fool, like he go feel even talk say, oh, the Vaseline because of the winter, so I they use some for my lips now. But kwasia boy no, or see oh eyenku a osra kwasia usra nko udware wia u studio na your friend is abeda no dressing room. U studio and as I say ada no dressing room. Jimmy Fo. Oh. No be me talking. I also have Vaseline in my bag. I also have Vaseline in my bag. Pope Skinny, if you don't know me, my name be BJ. The only black Jesus on social media. I say, if you know beg ebony in family for that rubbish way you talk, I say that's your dead music career, no? That's your stupid music career where you they do, no? I go bury him. I go do him rest in peace. I go burn him for ashes. That your stupid, how do you call it? Music where you they do, where nobody they even listen to those stupid bullshit where you they do, no? I go bury him. Mark my words. Make we listen to Missy Moshe video now. I go drop one picture of Pope Skinny where in day somebody a man bed with in supporter few supporter say can who did the being person a year to pictures a year saying TFN saying you are a model. Asia,
you know, when you just say come there. Yeah, I didn't want to be here because Yana me pese me kan ma beka wi me beka wi me me tonte suna me fa me teke ma metafro. And they make this point very clear. And
Mumbisa Pope Skinny say, we have so many rappers. We have so many rappers for Ghana. How many rappers you they see for Ghana with so many piercing? What piercing winnie, what piercing, what no, what piercing with a cremaso, what piercing was Sunny BBA. See my own. Pope Skinny, see my own. You see. How many piercing way Shatta Wale gets? How many piercing way how do you call it? Stonebwoy gets? How many piercing where real niggas get for Ghana? How many piercing real rappers for Ghana? How many piercing where they get? You get so many piercing like Nana Tornado. You and Nana Tornado now, Pope Skinny, I don't see any difference. I don't see any difference. You Pope Skinny and Nana Tornado, no difference. So what thing you they talk? Make we listen to Pope Skinny in rubbish way they talk.
Clear and make everybody understand. Say, they make them very clear.
Yes,
Sarkodie. They do up.
Sarkodie no get any, how do you call it? Piercing in nose, in tongue, in ear, and everything. But Sarkodie they do good rapping for Ghana. So Pope Skinny, Why this all Kojo Besia piercing? Why you be Nana Tornado or what? Popskin, you be Nana Tornado. If you want 10 Nana Tornado, if you want 10 me Black Jesus, make you tell me. Make you tell Ghanaians. It be true, pa. Now Popskinny new name be Popskinny Vaseline rapper. It be Vaseline rapper. If they use Vaseline, if they use the Vaseline now for in studio now, then they get some small rap will be, then that some crazy rap will be, they come in head. You see, the way you expose yourself, Popskinny, just say I will go in Mansi. Won't say anti Vaseline now, Udi yeah, friend is saying, Kojo Besia hit now, open say we are a numa Kojo Besia for no. You see where you they masturbate, you know, then some stupid things they come in your mind. So you think say you make any song, but you don't make any song. Justice for Vaseline, Ampa. Justice for Vaseline, Popskinny. Now justice for Vaseline. Listening to Popskinny, listening to Popskinny.
Bullshit. But I they make this point clear, and I declare, and when I declare,
Popskinny, nothing there where you won't clear.
Anybody go talk. Me, Popskinny, you see me, Popskinny. Me petre pa.
Wow, shit.
Me di tre.
Wow, shit.
Me na me di tre ma tre kasa. Me na me di tre ma tre sro. And me di tre enya emba. And man has been humble so much. So my friend say, hey. Me kasana be flash me say obi say order only chance the why cause here Jimmy una wo de to na wo de bene no wo say you want be so person you popular so you won't come talk to Popskinny make it
shut up Popskinny who you see obi person you popular you who be you even nobody they listening to your music career you die. If we won't be popular, like we go talk about medical, Sarkodie, Shatawale, Stone Boy, you Popskinny, who know you? Asia, a common do now with the Janya Kotana US, no. A common do wanka, and Kabetana Ghana, no, you go do music. Like the way Shatawale, Sarkodie, medical, and Stone Boy, they all day Ghana, where they hustle. This be real niggas, they hustle. Only Kasi. Asia, who you can rapper? Who you think say you be rapper? You think say you be popular? You they talk about bullshit about people and people go recognize you small. You they talk bullshit about people for people to recognize you small. You think say you be star? Which star? Vaseline star or what? I beg make you go do advert for Vaseline. Maybe that will give you some hype be and stop the rubbish way you they talk over there. Make me listen.
The hype you want, but you see this shit. You see this fight. It's not about gays and lesbians. This fight is about an idiot where you know they Ghana. Where we they talk about Ghana. I said now it's about Ghana.
Listen to Popskinny over here. Popskinny say this way we they talk. You know be about Ghana. Good. Me I know they Ghana. That's why I no want talk about Ghana in issue. You know. Popskinny where you dey? You dey Ghana. Look the rubbish way you they talk. You they Ghana. You to be you know they Ghana, but you they talk about Ghana issue. You also they know they Ghana, you they US. So why you they talk about Ghana issue? So if you know they Ghana, you they talk about Ghana issue now. Me too, I know they Ghana. So if you spit any rubbish for outside, I feel come attack you. I feel come reply you because you Popskinny, I know you well. Where you they come to Apple, those times you they come to Apple, do your rubbish with, how do you call it, your boyfriend, your sugar daddy by then. Where you know, nobody know you be Popskinny crampo. Obi enimu, those times you know, Apple no bawa, bola boy be, junkie boy be, udresi basa, and then we see what could drew US into, your flower Popskinny, you be star for where? Ashia, onya bemimi oye. If we talk star, you know what in be star. You be true Vaseline rapper. As a junkie boy like you, I give you 48 hours. If you not come out, come apologize for Ebony in family. I go tata, I will say, you self, you go run for America.
Talking about Ghana. We were talking about Ghana. And ya brochiro. Ye na ya kwa brochiro ye tutu kwan, mimi tutu kwan. Mimi tutu kwan ye bia na obi wa kwa ne baby. But me to I me a traveler. Or China say me ko Jamaica. Me pese me ko we Santorini. Oh Santorini. I will Greece. Me your kwentufu. Me tutu kwine. And you know, I understand everybody and their choice. I understand human rights. I understand people on ordinary and he say me they love men. It's their own choice.
Popskin, why they change your mouth?
Your own choice. I'm not against that. But I'm siasem ebi anu mabeke bibi nti no gwen ana okan won me ka odi hwase no. Obo Popskin di no. Popskin di na wo bo no. So you say you want that hype. Say oh again. Say me kasa he. Ope hype no I go take give you. And you see after I talk this I no go come say hey mama trouble. And the first they come. Once I picture now, papi, because you mean I make my video no cry away because I can't put video on way. I can't put video on Instagram. I can't put video on Instagram. Nema and Crawford go watch that video because nobody see me. Me wanna me boy say papi could do. Yeah, I don't have a problem with papi. You be kind and I make kind one say. And we will talk. We will talk. What you say? You have a kind and I don't have a problem with him. On no pen or ordinate to. Tona ordinate no. Obemwa woman na. And you no any choice. I don't have a problem with that. Me I don't have problem because me I be traveler. Me I'm a tourist. And I hear baby and you cry you to social media. Me man they travel. Man have multiple way. Man have multiple.
Look where Popskin, why you're hot? Popskin, you're hot.
And you know, so when the chassis now say, because I can't talk about whatever I talk about. Now, hopefully, say I hurt you. Epono, this say man can say see I say those days. Barras boys in the friend, near cracking, you can bro way for no. Then say see, I make burobi, say, I make cobro, you know, say, human rights, who bet me a cobro gay, and I'll bet you a cobro lesbian. Nah, you can dana sem. President, no, because say only legalize them, no. Mopamuka show po. President say, no, go fucking legalize the shit. Mopamuka show po. And I make me baby. Now, and I make only chassis. Was yes, Popskin be gay. Me gay. I'm fucking straight. I love my women. I love pretty girls. When I see girls, I love them and I fuck them good. I fuck them very good. The only thing where they pass my anus be mania. But see, I'm mania. Me the brodo na me ne krana. They say I met to she me na kwasi abe man fa chasiri. Hey, baby awa. Who you so then I won't drop my freestyle, but I go drop this one. The title be Kwadwo Besia. I go drop them right after this video. I go put them for them. One more. I don't have a problem. I want to declare this thing, and I want to who need chastity say come out within 24 hours. Who need chastity? Oh, Bomidia, make when in the rain, make thunder fire you.
Popskin, my body here.
Man. Ubomidia, make thunder fire you, say make people tell me who you know. And yes, I see a crown of it say, Ufi Germany, and who you know, who went with that? Me, I've never been to Germany, who went with that? Who the chassis? Musu and Tramo, Basia. When I open, I'll do to be here we are, Medene. I have kids, I have girls. I have women. I love women. Sometimes then somebody will call me. Sometimes if you know Claire, it go tarnish your image. When you chastity minimum, I must say, yes, a gay man. When you chastity, we forbid. No, don't beat them. Why you go talk to me? I know they talk to make nobody. So what Germany? Now Germany, don't show your location. You see me. You see where are they? Are they Las Vegas? Are they Nevada? He say, bro, calm down. And you question yourself, say, Jimmy, who did chastity why? Yes, if I don't come out, don't the yen ye den for I want to win ma. Yen ye den for my picture no. When I hit 1K and over, I will show you where that picture came from. Say your man ball. A fucking ball. Why I no go verse? Hey, why I no go verse? Only chassis why? Only musu entramo. Insu ta pra.
Popskin
on a baby or on a bar.
Hey. Only musu entramo. Insu ta pra na bo embo team. Embo team. Say a car na wufra. O traka ni many accident in Kumu for saying Popskin is gay. Say if I no come out, apologize. I know they apologize. So and they saw only chassis. But see Jimmy. Catch me say, uni me why? Me na me beka say those days we dey go Apple. Listen, the ladies na
Muntie. Or say, or no Beka said those days we dey go Apple. This boy is fucking rough.
Night and that time, this shit that they talk like 20 years ago. Now you know
Somewhat.
And that time man no trap.
Somewhat. Or say asem na all cano. Those times no sir 20 years ago. 20 years ago, that time no, they chop your nyas, your true Popskin, they chop your true. That be waiting are they also talk about. I know they talk about now. Popskin, are they talk about that 20 years ago? So why you vex? Why you vex? 20 years ago, you confess in your video that 20 years ago they chop your nyas for you. So it be the same thing where I come talk. Say Popskin, we know you those times for Apple. We know you. That 20 years ago where you they talk about. That 20 years ago, we know you, me. I know you, me be there. I know you where did they chop your nyas. Where did they chop your nyas? So, where is the big news now? Why you vex, Popskin? Why you vex? Why you vex? 20 years ago, you talk here that 20 years ago, did they chop your nyas? 20 years ago, did they chop your nyas? So why you vex now? Say now you be bisexual. Say now I be bisexual, or now I stop small where I dey chop girls to see if I go fit change or if I go fit get some woman to marry because of my music career. But don't come and say you no do one before. If you talk that thing, no, you make I go vex. You make I go vex, but Popskin, if you talk this, you go make I go vex, basa. You dey talk about 20 years where you dey chop your true. It be the 20 years are they also they talk about. It be the 20 years. So why you vex for this one? Popskin, why you vex? Come tell your followers, your fans, say you 20 years they chop your true move for you. Come tell your fans, your followers. Don't make a vex you, Popskin. Don't make a vex you because you be my true bro. So don't make a vex you. Don't make a vex you. Be steady. Be steady. You they talk about Ebony, you they talk about Ebony, that Ebony be lesbian. No, somebody vex you. So why you your own 20 years ago, we they bring them out now? No, you won't vex. Ah, Massa, you self waiting. You self what? Be real nigga. Be truthful to yourself and tell Ghanaians say 20 years ago they chop your nyash. Talk am. Make we listen to Pope Skinny way they confess 20 years ago. Talk am yourself.
Are they Las Vegas? Are they Nevada?
Are they Germany?
Say bro, calm down. And you say Jimmy, only chassis why? Yes, if I no come out, don't the yen here den crofo want to me ma. Yen here den crofo. Ma me tell picture no. When I hit 1K and over, I will show you where that picture came from. Say your man ball. A fucking ball. Why I no go verse? Hey, why I no go verse? Only chassis why? Only musu entramo. Isu ta pra na abo embo team nkumu. Say ye car na wofra. O tra ka ni mo nya accident nkumu. For saying Pope Skinny is gay. Say if I no come out apologize. I know they apologize. So I dey so only chassis. Was here Jimmy. Catch me say, uni me way. Me na me beka say those days we dey go Apple. Now we ladies night, we gay night for her, and that time, actually, this shit that they talk like 20 years ago. Now you na yesa. And that time man no travel, I know open.
No, people know they share the video, so I'm not gonna show up.
Man know they understand. Say see no me no me to me ye gay da. And I mean Muntie. It's against my
say siano or say siano me to me ye gay da. So it means before Pope Skinny you they do. Stop disgracing yourself. My brother Pope Skinny trumu batty boy. Stop disgracing yourself. Your own words. O say siano me to me ye gay da. Say siao. I they talk about past before. You they talk about now, say me mean to me ye gay da. Massa, you Jimmy pa, you fool. I say next time, tomorrow, if you won't come live video, come open your nyash to your followers, your viewers, make they see if they chop your trumu before. Bring them. It be that people won't see. To confess way that you Pope Skinny, you know chop trumu before. That is what people won't see. Foolish boy.
Religion. I'm a Christian. And I'm a it's against my tradition. Me mean to me, yeah. But Obina is not against your tradition or religion.
See.
Men time would that. Mean to me, time will be a or no way decide this. Say na me pese me ye. Na say oh baba bonte be catch me say make I dare you. Now
this video, I go continue tomorrow. Make I go sleep because tomorrow I go wake up early. You see, I did my beautiful hotel. Man. Pope Skinny, I did my beautiful hotel. You see, I'm working. So Pope Skinny, I beg. Felicia, I say your video tomorrow. I go repeat them. Tomorrow I go come live for you. If people share the video tomorrow I go show another picture of you, Pope Skinny. If people share the video tomorrow I go come live for you. So you talk boko. I said go apologize your platform where you sit. You sit to tarnish Ebony in rain, in family name. You tarnish Ebony in name. Go sit there, no, apologize to Ebony. If not, I go make your dead music career die. I go make him rest in peace. I go dig floor where I go put that dead music career of yours under the ground. I go show you, say, Ebony fan, true fans, Ebony reign, we still dey feel Ebony inside our hearts. So make you not bring your Jimmy Sem. Make I leave you people. Bye.